Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be doing this makeup look right here. We are not using any foundation, it's just our moisturizer which we will be focusing on, and this makeup look is mostly based on your eye look and for your lips. So yeah, let's quickly jump into the video. So for the first step, of course, it's your moisturizer. You have to go with moisturizer and make sure your skin doesn't soak up the moisturizer. For the next step, our next step is of course concealer. We won't be going with foundation, so yeah. Now make sure you focus on your problematic area. What I have to conceal, for me it's my under eye, my cheek and lower lip. That's the only thing I will be covering. Done with concealer. Then blend the product. You can build the concealer if you want, or you can skip this step. Next step is of course setting our face. Now remember this guys, if you like matte look, you can just go with entire face. You can set your entire face, or you can just set the areas where you have applied your concealer. I will be going for a matte look. It totally depends on your preference, okay? If you're setting your entire face, in the end you can use a makeup fixer. So for the next step, if you want, you can just add a little bit color on your eyelid by applying a bronzer. You can skip this step for sure. Okay, so for the next step, the focus for this makeup look is on your eye and of course your lips. So if you want, you can go on with eyeliner, but I will only be going with my kajal and my mascara. Tight line the lash line and you are good to go with the mascara. Then of course your mascara. Try to apply 2 coats of mascara because you are going for a no makeup look, and you can apply 2 coats of mascara, I think. So yeah. And then comes your lips. Now try to go with a bold lip, or a nude lip will also be okay because it's a no makeup look. But yeah, since if you like lipstick, so of course you can go with a bold lips. Going with this color. If you don't have 2 colors, you can definitely go with your red color or nude color. This is how it would look. Then you can go with your darker shade. I will be going with this shade. This is how your lipstick would look. So the most important step for this makeup look is of course a highlighter, because we want our skin to glow. You can see my skin has not yet taken the moisturizer, and that's why I'm sweating so much. This is how your skin would probably look after applying highlighter. You can set your face after that with a makeup fixer, but it depends on you what you are doing. I have done a matte look, so obviously I will go and set my face. If you have only applied your powder where you have just concealed, you can skip that step. Your face would look like this after highlighter. I don't like this glowy face, so I will be just fixing my face with a makeup fixer. You can definitely go with blush if you want, but since it is a no makeup look, I would not probably go with blush. Yeah, this is how it would probably look. And see, I have just came with this conclusion. We have only used our concealer, moisturizer, mascara, kajal and highlighter. I think only 5 products and a lipstick, of course, a bold lips or a nude lips as you want. So yeah, we can only go with 5 products wherever we want. You can also do this look while you are wearing an Indian dress and you have to spend a long hour, and you know, there is a fear of your makeup coming down. So yeah, you can probably go with this look and they will not figure it out. Instead of that, they will say tera skin kitna glow kar raha and everything like that. Guys, that's gonna be it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what else you need. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.